Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? The word polymorphism means having many forms. It is made up of two words, poly and morphs. So in programming, polymorphism means the same function name but different signatures being used for different types. The key difference is that data types and number of arguments used in function. So polymorphism are of four types in programming language: overloading of operators, class polymorphism in Python, method overriding, also referred to as runtime polymorphism, and method overloading, also known as compile time polymorphism. Polymorphism is supported in Python via method overriding and operator overloading. However, Python does not support method overloading in the classic sense. But there is a way by which we can achieve method overloading as well. I will show you in the example. So we are going to start with length function. So as example of polymorphism, if we have a string, so for strings, len returns the number of characters. So let us say x is equal to hello world, and if we print the length of x, it will output 11. Python poly.py. Look, it's returning 11. For list, length returns number of elements, right? Y is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and if we print, it will return 5. Look, it's returning 5. And same length function for tuple will return the number of elements again. And if we save and run, look, 11 5 5. And now if we run it for dictionary, it will give us the number of key value pairs. Let me run it. Look, 3. So the same length function is behaving differently in different kind of data structures. So this is an example of polymorphism. Now we will see this in classes. Okay, so let me clear that. I have already created two classes, car and boat, and this is for the example of class polymorphism. So in this, we are going to create an object of car1, and object of boat1. After creating the object, we will call the object directly. So for x in car1 and boat1, x.move. What it will do, it will call the move method for different classes. However, both the method move in both the classes car and boat have same signature, even though it will print different message for different classes. Let me show you. So if we open the terminal, and if we print like so, see, drive for the x.move, it will call car1, and car1 we have drive, and sail for the second object for boat. So in this way we achieved the polymorphism. Same function but different work in different classes. So this is an example of class polymorphism. Next is polymorphism in inheritance. So this is an example of inheritance polymorphism. So we have created a class vehicle and we have defined a function move, print move, and in second class we have created car and we have inherited properties, all the properties from vehicle, and we are doing nothing, we are just passing. After then we have created a class boat, and in this again we are inheriting from vehicle method. So I haven't created the init for this, and we are again overriding the move method which is defined in the vehicle class. So by default it will be coming here, but we are changing the move method to cell. And now when we create the object car1 vehicle, and we can also give car object, doesn't matter. So now if we call the methods car1.move and boat1.move, it will print move and cell. Let me show you. Look, move and cell. So this is an example of inheritance polymorphism. Okay, so now we are going to look at operator overloading. Add two numbers. So if we do like print 4 plus 5, we will get 9. Same plus operator can be used for concatenating as well. So if we do print hello world and we run, look, hello world. So same plus operator is here used for string concatenation. Now we will look at star operator for multiplying two numbers. So if you do print 4 into 5, it will give 20. Okay, and the same operator can be used for repetition of a string. So example, if you do MAH space and times 6, it will repeat 6 times MAH. Look, so this is the example of operator overloading. So this is an example of function overloading. However, I have told earlier that function overloading is directly not supported in Python. However, we can achieve this with the use of multiple dispatch. So in order to use function overloading, you need to install with the help of pip3 install multiple dispatch. Once you have installed, so you need to call from multiple dispatch import dispatch, and by decorating with dispatch @dispatch and number of arguments, int 2 arguments we are taking of type int. So in this case we can define product function and argument name first, second, and result is first into second, and it will print the result. Again we are taking same function name product with first, second and third, 3 parameters, and again we are decorating with @dispatch method, and we are giving both 3 types int. If you use float, you can give it here float. And if we do like call product 4 and 3, it will give 12, and product 2 3 5, it will give you 30. Let me show you. If we run, look, 12 and 30. So that's how you do the function overloading in Python. Thank you so much for watching the video, and subscribe, please like and subscribe. Thank you.